The air is stale, heavy with the scent of recycled breath. A constant reminder of our confined existence. Every inhale and exhale feels like a shared experience, a communal act of survival in this subterranean world. The faint hum of geothermal generators is our lifeline, providing the energy that sustains our hidden society. These machines, buried deep within the Earth's crust, are the silent guardians of our continued existence. Sunlight is a distant memory, a relic of a time when the surface was our home. Now, we rely on artificial lights and the bioluminescent fungi that line our caverns to illuminate our days and nights. The stars, once a source of wonder and inspiration, are now just stories told to children who have never seen the night sky. They listen with wide eyes, imagining a world they will never know. Our world exists in the cool, damp embrace of the Earth's crust, a place where the surface is but a myth. We have adapted to this new reality, creating a network of interconnected caverns that serve as our homes. These caverns are lit by the soft glow of bioluminescent fungi, casting an eerie yet beautiful light that guides us through the darkness. It's a fragile ecosystem, one that we must carefully maintain to survive. It wasn't always like this, shrouded in perpetual twilight. There was a time when humanity thrived under the open sky, basking in the warmth of the sun. It was a time when humanity reached for the stars, our ambitions as boundless as the cosmos itself. We built towering cities, dreamt of colonizing planets, and explored the farthest reaches of space. Our dreams were vast, our potential seemingly limitless. We envisioned a future where humanity would spread across the galaxy, leaving our mark on distant worlds. We unraveled the secrets of the universe, delving into the mysteries of space and time. Our scientists worked tirelessly, pushing the boundaries of what was possible, but the universe, it seems, had other plans. The whispers started subtly, almost imperceptibly at first. Anomalies in the cosmic microwave background radiation caught our attention. These anomalies were small, almost insignificant, but they hinted at something much larger. A slight shift in the redshift of distant galaxies suggested that something was amiss. At first, they were dismissed as errors, glitches in our observations, but as the data grew, so did the chilling realization. The universe wasn't expanding anymore, it was collapsing. The implications were staggering. Our understanding of the cosmos was turned on its head. The very fabric of reality seemed to be unraveling before our eyes. As the data continued to pour in, the truth became undeniable. The universe was collapsing, and with it, our hopes and dreams of a future among the stars. We were forced to retreat, to seek refuge in the only place we could, deep within the Earth. And so, here we are, living in the shadows, whispering in the void. Imagine, if you will, the entire cosmos with all its grandeur and mystery as a giant balloon. For billions of years, this balloon has been inflating, its surface expanding outward, carrying galaxies along for the ride. This, in essence, is the Big Bang Theory, the prevailing model for the universe's origin and evolution. But like all balloons, the universe doesn't have an infinite capacity to expand. Gravity, that relentless sculptor of the cosmos, tugs at the fabric of space-time, trying to pull everything back together. For eons, the outward momentum of the Big Bang has outpaced gravity's pull. But what if that balance shifted? The collapse, when it began, was slow, almost imperceptible. But as the universe contracted, the process accelerated like a runaway train hurtling towards its inevitable destination, the singularity. The singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature, where the very fabric of space and time is compressed into an almost unimaginable state. A point of infinite density and temperature where the laws of physics as we know them break down. It's a realm where our understanding of the universe ceases to function, and the known principles of science are rendered obsolete, where the laws of physics as we know them break down. This singularity is the seed from which our universe sprang forth in the Big Bang, an event that set the cosmos into motion, creating everything we see around us today. It's the seed from which our universe sprang forth in the Big Bang, a colossal explosion that marked the birth of time and space. scattering matter and energy across the void, and it's the cosmic abyss that awaits us at the end of our cosmic journey. As the universe ages and expands, it will eventually begin to contract, leading to a cataclysmic collapse. As the universe collapses, galaxies will begin to collide, merging into one another in a violent cosmic dance. Their celestial dance, a harbinger of the cataclysm to come, a prelude to the end of everything we know. Their celestial dance, a harbinger of the cataclysm to come. Stars will be ripped apart, their nuclear furnaces extinguished in the face of unimaginable gravitational forces. Stars will be ripped apart, their nuclear furnaces extinguished in the face of unimaginable gravitational forces. The very essence of these celestial bodies will be torn asunder, leaving behind only remnants of their former glory, their nuclear furnaces extinguished in the face of unimaginable gravitational forces. Space-time itself will warp and distort, bending under the immense pressure of the collapsing universe. Space-time itself will warp and distort, creating a surreal landscape where the normal rules of reality no longer apply. Time itself seemingly accelerating as the singularity approaches, drawing everything inexorably towards it. Time itself seemingly accelerating as the singularity approaches. Knowing our fate, we, the inheritors of 1 billion years of evolution, faced a stark choice: resign ourselves to oblivion or seek refuge in the only place that might offer the glimmer of hope. Knowing our fate, we, the inheritors of 1 billion years of evolution, faced a stark choice: resign ourselves to oblivion or seek refuge in the only place that might offer a glimmer of hope. The heart of our planet. In the depths of the earth, we might find the sanctuary we need to survive the end of the universe. Faced a stark choice: resign ourselves to oblivion or seek refuge in the only place that might offer a glimmer of hope. The heart of our planet. In the depths of the earth, we might find the sanctuary we need to survive the end of the universe, or seek refuge in the only place that might offer a glimmer of hope. The heart of our planet. In the depths of the earth, we might find the sanctuary we need to survive the end of the universe, a place where we can wait out the cosmic storm, hoping for a new beginning.
The earth, once our cradle, became our sanctuary. Deep beneath the surface, we carved out vast underground cities, powered by geothermal energy and illuminated by the soft glow of bioluminescent fungi. These were not the dank, oppressive caverns of human imagination, but marvels of engineering and ingenuity, a testament to our species' indomitable spirit. Within these subterranean havens, we recreated as best we could the world we left behind. Hydroponic farms, bathed in the warm glow of artificial sunlight, provided sustenance. Air and water were meticulously recycled, every drop and every breath precious in our enclosed world. Life underground was different, certainly, but it was life nonetheless. We adapted, as humans always have, our resilience fueled by a flicker of hope that maybe, just maybe, this was not the end. Section 5.
The art of preservation. Food, the lifeblood of any civilization, became a precious commodity. We couldn't rely on the sun's life-giving energy anymore. Instead, we turned to the art of preservation, meticulously storing seeds, grains, and dried foods in climate-controlled vaults, hoping to weather the cosmic storm and rebuild when it was over. Vertical farms, stacked high into the cavern ceilings, became our new fields where genetically modified crops thrived under the glow of LED lights. We farmed insects and cultivated algae, maximizing every inch of space, every watt of energy to sustain our subterranean existence. Life underground demanded resourcefulness, every calorie meticulously accounted for, every drop of water recycled and reused, but it also fostered a sense of community, a shared purpose that transcended the boundaries of nations and ideologies.
Section 6. The evolution of resilience. The human spirit,
however, is not easily extinguished. In the face of unimaginable adversity, we discovered a hidden reservoir of resilience. We adapted not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. We learned to find solace in the rhythms of our enclosed world, in the whisper of air through ventilation shafts and the soft glow of bioluminescent fungi. We told stories of the sun, the moon, the stars, keeping the memory of our lost world alive. We created art, composed music, wrote poetry, finding beauty in the face of oblivion. We never gave up hope, clinging to the belief that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit could endure. Section 7. The dance of life and death. As the universe hurtled towards its inevitable end, time itself seemed to warp and distort. Days blurred into weeks, weeks into months. The passage of time marked only by the rhythmic hum of the generators and the slow, steady growth of our subterranean crops. The outside world, the world of our ancestors, faded into myth and legend. We knew, of course, that our time was finite. A singularity was coming, a cosmic reset button that would wipe the slate clean. But even in the face of extinction, there was a strange sense of peace. We had made our peace with the universe, accepted our fate with a quiet dignity. Section 8.
A universe reborn? Some clung to the hope that the singularity wasn't the end, but a beginning. That from the ashes of our universe, a new one would be born, phoenix-like from the cosmic flames. Perhaps in this new universe, life in some form would emerge again, carrying within it the faint echo of our own existence. It was a comforting thought, this notion of a cyclical universe, death and rebirth playing out on an unimaginable scale. Whether it was true or not, no one could say for sure, but in the twilight of our existence, it gave us hope. A flicker of light in the encroaching darkness.
Section 9. The undying spark. In the end, it wasn't fear or despair that defined our final moments, but a quiet acceptance, a profound understanding that we had reached the culmination of our journey. It was a moment of reflection where the weight of our collective experiences settled upon us like a gentle, comforting blanket. A sense of wonder at the sheer audacity of existence. We had lived, loved, dreamed, and in those final moments we found solace in the beauty of our shared experiences. The stars above seemed to whisper secrets of the universe, reminding us of the vastness of creation and our small yet significant place within it, and in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. That was enough. As the singularity approached, we gathered together one last time in our subterranean havens. There were tears, yes, but also laughter, a bittersweet symphony of emotions that played out in the dim light of our shelters. We held each other close, finding strength in our unity and the bonds we had forged over lifetimes. Stories shared, memories cherished, we faced our end, not as individuals but as a species, united in our shared humanity. And then silence. A profound, all-encompassing silence that seemed to stretch on forever, yet was filled with the echoes of our existence. In that silence we found a strange peace, a sense of completion. The singularity arrived not with a bang but with a whisper, a gentle sigh as the universe folded in on itself. And in that silence there was a spark, a tiny flicker of light that refused to be extinguished. It was as if the universe itself was acknowledging our presence, our journey, and our indomitable spirit. A faint, ethereal glimmer like a single ember refusing to be extinguished. The spark of consciousness, perhaps, or maybe something else entirely. It was a reminder that even in the face of overwhelming darkness, there is always a glimmer of hope, a beacon of light that guides us forward. Whatever it was, it persisted. A testament to the enduring power of life, a beacon of hope in the face of oblivion. It was a symbol of our resilience, our ability to find light in the darkest of times, and our unwavering belief in the possibility of a new beginning, even as the universe itself seemed to draw to a close.